Let's look at 5 common myths and 5 uncommon facts about your BC residential property assessment that can cost you money. The first common myth is that a higher assessment is a good thing. Well, in reality, it could be that you have a higher assessment simply due to an error, and that error can persist year after year after year, and it can cost you more than you need it to in your property tax bill. The second one is that a lower assessment will affect your ability to get refinancing when your mortgage comes due. Well, this is not true, and it's not true for 2 reasons. The first reason is that your lender will get their own appraisal on your house when it comes time for refinancing and not even look at the BC Assessment Authority notice. The second reason is that under today's lending restrictions, lenders look at what they call the total cost of occupancy, and this includes the principal and interest on your mortgage and also your cost of utilities and your property tax bill. So a lower assessment will lower your property tax bill and as a result will actually help your refinancing. The third myth is the municipality needs the money. Municipalities always need money, but the way that this system is set up, the municipality will always have its money in order to be able to provide services, and we'll show you that in just a second. Myth number 4, appealing to the government never works. Well, in some cases, you may be right, but when it comes to appealing your property assessment, there is an independent board that is not part of the BC Assessment Authority or the government that will review your appeal. And the fifth myth is that the process is difficult, and it can certainly look difficult from the outside, but we can show you not only what to do, but how to do it. So why should you appeal? Well, the first fact is that it's impossible for the BC Assessment Authority to inspect every home every year. That's important because the Assessment Authority uses an approach to assessing your value called the direct comparison approach. In this approach, they look at properties that are similar, try and make them as identical as possible, and ascribe a value to them based upon the recent sales of houses just like yours. But because no 2 houses are actually identical, then the only way they can get very close is to use a sophisticated computer software program. So they would like to go and take a look at your house every year to compare it to every other home, but that's physically impossible. They send out 1.9 million assessments every year. They cannot get to every property. Speaking of the software, that software that they use produces a range of values, not a single value for your house. Your house might be at the top end of that value, the bottom end of that value, or somewhere in between. So what the BC Assessment Authority asks you to do is verify your assessment because computer errors do occur. And that's why it's important for you to go through the verification process, the same process that you would use if you were actually going to end up appealing your assessment. The adjustments between one house and another house are based upon experience. And because the assessment authority can't get into every home every year, they have to use a judgment call. And those experienced judgment calls may not take into effect changes that they're not aware of. So it's important for you to take a look at your assessment compared to others in your area and help them come to a value that you're happy with. And the fifth fact is you will save money year over year when you are successful in appealing your property tax assessment. And here is how the taxation process works. The municipality, be it a regional district, a town, or a city, will prepare its municipal budget. In the meantime, the BC Assessment Authority is assessing the individual property values for almost 2 million properties in British Columbia. That creates what is known as the assessment roll. They give that roll to the taxing authority, who then marries the roll to the budget. In fact, what they do is divide the value of all of the assessed property in each of the classes into the budget to come up with a mill rate. They then apply that mill rate to the individual assessed value for your property. Now look, you have very little control over the municipal budget or almost 2 million assessments, but you do have direct control over verifying and appealing your individual property assessment, and that's how you can lower your property tax bill. If you do want to appeal your assessment, here's the process. You should receive your assessment notice by the end of the year, but if you don't receive it by January 15th, call the BC Assessment Authority. If you think that there is an error on your assessment notice, discuss it with the BC Assessment Authority, either by phone or in person. But if you're still not satisfied with the answer that you get, you need to file a notice of complaint, your appeal notice, by January 31st or the first business day before the 31st if the 31st falls on a weekend. It's very important that you do not miss that deadline. You'll then compile evidence to present to the assessment review panel, which meets in February and March and sometimes in April if there are a lot of appeals to hear. Did you just have an aha moment? Well, your aha moment is that the best way to have your property value assessment lowered is to find and point out that the comparisons between properties really wasn't an apples to apples comparison, and that there may have been errors in any subjective adjustments made by the assessor to account for any of the differences between the properties. Now, you can learn a lot more about the process and not only what to do, but how to do it in our ebook, How to Successfully Appeal Your BC Property Assessment and Reduce Your Property Tax Bill. This book provides more information, tips, and presentation script suggestions. It details an effective and proven presentation format in 7 complete step-by-step how-to chapters with absolutely nothing left out. Not only do we tell you what to do, but we tell you how to do it. All you have to do is go to attainmentpress.com for an instant download of the ebook. The price is just $39.99 plus GST. But if you do it right now, you will get an Excel spreadsheet for preparing your appeal absolutely free. And you can also use the same spreadsheet to verify your assessment notice. And it's absolutely free when you go to attainmentpress.com and download our ebook. We have a second bonus for you as well. If you buy before December 25th, you'll receive a 10% discount on the cover price. All you have to do is go to attainmentpress.com and use coupon code EARLYORDER. So buy now at attainmentpress.com. You'll get an instant download of our ebook, How to Successfully Appeal Your BC Property Assessment and Reduce Your Property Tax Bill. The price you'll pay with the coupon is just $35.99, and you'll get the free spreadsheet I just mentioned.